In this video, I'll show you how to add calling cards to any contacts on Android phone. Calling card is the new feature with the Google Phone application on any Android device. So if you want to get the full advantage of calling card feature, then here's how you can actually use this. But before we start the video, if you're new to this channel, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because it really helps me out. Well, so now to add calling card to any contacts, the very first thing that you have to do is simply go and open up the phone application and then go and tap on this three dot line at the top left and then tap on settings. And from the settings, you just need to scroll down and you'll get to see the option calling card. If you're not getting this option, make sure you have updated the Google Phone application to the very latest version. And right after that, you'll get to see this option. You just need to tap on this, and inside this one, you'll get to see the calling card. So now to add this, go and tap on this add button here. Now simply go ahead and select the contact that you want to add to this list. So let's say I'm going to select this contact, for example, and this will be added. Now I can easily select any custom photos as a calling card. So I'm going to select the gallery here, and this will take me to the gallery and select any photos that you want. So let's say I'm going to select these photos, and once it gets selected, this will look like this. And also you can customize the text. You can actually individually go one after one and you can see which one is favorite for you. So let's say I'm going to select this text, and also you can change the text color as well. And once you're done with the text style and color, simply go and tap on this done button at the top right, and the calling card will be saved for this specific person. And from now, every time you get a call or you can call this person, this calling card will appear every time. That looks so nice. And this is how we can give a different look to any contacts using the calling card feature. Hope you find this very helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to this channel. See you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.